A big change that came in fairly recently was that we could only have contracts for 2 years with our domestic customers because the government wants to increase the amount of change that domestic customers do. So we have a churn rate of 2%, they would like to see a churn rate of 8%. And one of the issues that's introduced is that we have to wake up our customers at the end of that contract and tell them they're free to leave us and look at our competitors. Calor Gas is the UK's largest supplier of liquefied petroleum gas. We have 100,000 domestic customers who use us for heating and cooking, but also we have customers in the commercial sector. The challenge we had is how do we grow the business? So the real reason was to stop the attrition of customers and keep the valuable ones. We needed to run very quickly on this project, so to scale up. 2 years ago it would have been on-premise first, and now it's on cloud first, and I think it's inevitable. We're using Talend to basically moving data from on-premise into the cloud. So the data lake is located on the Azure platform. We're using the Hadoop platform. That project worked very well. Actually, our transformation's 50% quicker into our data warehouse. We've now enabled our customer-facing staff to when they're engaging with customers, they have a bit more insight. So with the segmentation, we've identified personas. For example, for the bargain hunter, typically they're only going to be interested in price. And so there's no point trying to offer them additional added value services. For the customers at the other end, they might be interested in different types of products, so like say telemetry on their tank, additional insurance for emergency and breakdown, maybe an underground tank. We can basically take care of the whole service for them. So those are a couple of different ways that we can differentiate between customers. We don't want to lose any customers, that's the reality, but some customers are more valuable than others. If we're seeing their propensity to churn increase, then we can make them more happy before they give us a call and say they want to leave.